Hey, is that your boyfriend?
No.
No, just friend.
Yeah.
I don't think so. Hey, can you speak English? So.
50-50.
50-50.
50-50. Are you not learning English at school?
We have.
Yeah. You have English subject in school?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, but you
Guys. Dużo.
where are you from?
Poland.
Well, specifically, in what city do you live in?
Katowice. Katowice.
Katowice.
Katowice.
Katowice.
What the fuck?
Is that the name of the city?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Katowice. How old are you?
Yes.
15.
Wah,
Me
cakep
too.
banget. 15? Really?
Yeah.
15? So, are you a junior high school or
Yes.
junior? Junior high school? Student? You're a student?
Yes.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Cornelia.
Damian.
Cornelia and Damian. Yeah. You look like a couple.
No!
Wah.
God, please!
Why?
No!
Kenapa nggak jadian ente? Aduh. Ngerti gak? Do you understand what I'm speaking in Indonesia?
No.
No. Our flag is similar actually. Red and white.
What?
Do you know Indonesia?
No.
No. Oh, the Indonesia flag is red and white.
Ah.
Your flag is white and red.
Yeah.
So it's upside down. Yeah. What are you looking for in here? What are you searching for?
Nothing special.
Nothing special. How about COVID in your country? Is it bad?
Very bad.
Bad?
Too much. Definitely too much.
Is there any holiday for COVID or you're still going to school?
No.
No, you're
We
not.
have a break.
You're not
from
go to school
because
since
We have lockdown.
lockdown for how many months? You're not going to school. For how many months?
we have school online now.
Yeah, school online. Since when?
Since
Od kiedy my to mamy?
październik.
Since when? March. Since March 2020 or?
Wait, she's looking for a Google Translator.
Good. Yeah, me too. We are not a native speaker. So, as long as we understand each other, it's not problem. I'm here to practice my English actually. So, it's not a problem. Since when?
Since October.
October?
Yeah.
October. So, you're not going to class, but you attend online class. Online class. So you're go to online class. Online, like you and me, online.
Yes.
Yes, online class. Oh, okay. Why are you silent?
Życzymy, jesteśmy cicho.
Aha! Because I'm so shy.
So shy. Wow. What makes you shy? What makes you shy? You are so beautiful.
No thanks.
Poland girl is so beautiful but cannot speak English. I found so many beautiful girl at Poland, but I cannot communicate with them because they are not speaking English. I think the more you play ometv, the more you fluent in English because you are forced to speak in English. Do you think so? Or you not understand what I'm talking about?
I don't understand.
Oh, okay.
Really.
Yeah. So nice to meet you. Aduh, anak SMP tuh cantik bener. Do you have Instagram?
Yes.
What is your Instagram account?
Mogę napisać? Can I write on chat?
Yes, please.
Albo pokaż przez kamerkę.
Nie, czekaj.
You can write on the chat box. Tuh kalau mau tuh.
Wait a second.
Yeah. I will wait. We're just chilling here because the rain. Is it a winter over there?
Yes.
So cold?
No.
Yes.
No.
It's so cold.
Okay. No problem. Bening
We
banget,
don't
bos.
know.
Była podłoga.
Tuh, screenshot.
Why screenshot?
Enggak.
We are writing usernames Instagram.
I'm Leben Verloren. How to pronounce it? I'm Leben Verloren. Już?
Kurator psujcie zaraz.
Zapuka mi kurwa do drzwi.
Chyba jemu.
So you don't have boyfriend?
I have.
Oh, you have a boyfriend. Oh.
Yes.
And how about you? The guy one. Do you have girlfriend?
No.
No.
I'm
Oh,
single.
you're single. Oh, what a shame. So you can find girl in ometv. Why are you laughing? Laughing. Aduh. Speak. Try to speak something.
Powiedz.
What is the most popular food in Poland?
Pierogi.
Pierogi.
Dumplings.
Rozumiem,
What?
to-
Pierogi?
Pierogi, tak.
What is that?
Pierogi.
What is that? Noodle or bread? Or
It's
what?
dumplings.
Czekaj, ja
Dumplings.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait a second.
Yeah. Relax, just relax. Take it easy. Okay, like a risoles, yeah? Like a risoles, eh? Risoles.
Risoles.
Yeah.
Rozum?
In Indonesia, we call it risoles. Risol.
Nie wiem.
But what is the main food? The most Poland people eat?
Pierogi.
Pierogi. So that's the most
I rosół.
Rosół. Jak jest rosół po angielsku?
Russia.
Rosół.
Rosół.
Rosu. Kukubima energy. Rosu.
Rosół, tak.
Chicken soup.
Czekaj.
Okay.
Bro.
Ciway is coming, guys.
You're just speak, brother. Don't be shy.
I have question for you.
Yeah. What is
How old
that?
are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
How old am I? I'm 20 years old.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm a university student at the moment.
Ooh.
Yeah. You look like a 20, I think. But you are a 15. Aduh. Good, good. What else do you want to ask?
I don't know.
You don't know why.
I don't know why.
Just practicing your English. So you will be fluent in English. But you have bravery to speak with me. You understand? Oh, you don't understand. What? But you're better than the other Poland girl that is not there to speak in English. I think they're just skipping people. Skip. They're not.
Now?
Nie, mu chodzi o to, że ludzie go skipują.
Why?
There are so many Poland girls just skip because they're not speaking in English. They're not.
No, you are right.
They're not there to speak
Poland
English.
has a low level in English. I
Oh,
know, but in school, teacher teach us how to. Jak jest rozwiązywać zadania?
Tak.
Tak, kurwa, jak?
How to speak.
Do homeworks and we don't
We don't talk each other in English.
with speaking in English without us.
You're not speaking in English each other. You're not practicing it. You're just using a.
Someone who wants to speak in English with me.
Oh. So the ometv is the right place to speak in English, I
I
think.
know.
But why Poland girl is not speaking in English? They're ashamed of it or why? I don't know. They're not going to speak English. I thought at first the Poland school is not teaching an English subject, but they do.
We have
Yeah,
English subject, but it's a low level. I know.
Okay, because you're not using it every day. Yeah, in daily life. So you're not fluent in English. But I think the more you speak, the more you're fluent. Yes. Don't be shy. I also don't speak English very well. I'm here just practicing my language and my English skill with non-native speaker, because when I talk to the native speaker, I really don't understand. They speak so fast. Yeah, they speak so fast, so we cannot understand what they're talking about. But when we have conversation with someone who is not native speaker, I can be more understand what they're speaking about. Gitu. Why silent? Poland is apa ya? Poland, Robert Lewandowski. Is that popular?
The best
Athlete?
footballer in the world.
Yeah.
Actually.
The most apa? Tadi dia bilang lupa dah tuh. I'm sorry. Robert Lewandowski is the apa ya? Lewandowski. Ya gitu dah pokoknya. Have you heard about Indonesia before? You never know where is Indonesia.
I don't know.
You don't know. Indonesia is in Asia.
Asia.
Yes.
Right.
Southeast Asia. The most iconic place in Indonesia is called Bali. Yeah. Bali. Bali Island. Do you know Bali Island?
Nie wiem.
Many of Russian,
No mi się...
or maybe Europe people come to Bali to the beach,
Chyba coś mówi, a my nic nie mówimy.
to the Bali Island.
Nie wiem.
Yeah. Yeah, Bali Island. That's the most iconic, the most popular place in Indonesia. So many tourists go to Bali. To Bali. You have a nice hair, a thick one. Do you use pomade? Pomade?
What?
Do you use pomade?
To jest pomade. What is pomade?
Pomade. Just Google it. Just Google it. Pomade. Do you use pomade? Pomade is something that make your hair is hard. So it's not goyang-goyang.
Maybe it's gel. Something.
Yeah, gel. Hair gel, I think.
Mouse? Czemu mouse?
Hair gel. You look.
Mówimy.
O!
Dobra.
Yeah, you.
Używasz tego.
Nie używam.
Yeah. Do you use gel or it's
No,
natural?
I don't do-
It's natural.
No,
Ja też to.
I'm...
You.
Co? Co chcesz powiedzieć?
że sobie ja po prostu suszę suszarką, jak się wykąpię.
Jak jest suszarka?
Jak jest suszarka? Ej, ale ja teraz się czuję taką kalejką, panie, dosłownie. I dry my hair when I
Black.
jak
From bath?
jak było umyć?
Yeah, just relax, boy. Just relax. Take it easy. Just slow, step by
I
step.
dry
Yes.
hair when I
Black from bath.
back from
Yeah. Yeah.
shower.
Yeah. Back from shower.
And he used a dryer.
Jak są mokre włosy?
More.
Wet hair.
And when I have a wet hair, I'm dried.
Yes.
And sobie, no.
And you arrange it with the comb.
Czym?
Szczotką?
Ja usłyszałem
Comb.
Kujem.
Comb. COMB. With comb. Yes.
Co to jest kąp? Piszę szybko.
Masz! Kominku właśnie.
Jest zablokowany.
To se chuja sprawdzi.
Aduh, cantik betul ya. Gila ya. Emang nih orang Polandia dah. Asli 15 tahun bos kayak gitu bos tuh. Asli tuh.
To
Good.
jest kąp.
Kom.
Kom? Takie pudełko.
Yeah.
Już potwierdził.
Mam rację. I'm right.
I dawaj nauczymy go coś po polsku mówić.
You wanna say something in Polish?
No. Nothing at all. I'm not learning Poland language.
Poland language is so hard, but
So hard.
yeah.
Is it harder than Russia?
Say chrząszcz.
Chrząszcz.
Hmm?
Can you say książcz?
Strange
Książcz. Książcz.
songs.
Książcz.
Who songs?
Stół z powyłamywanymi nogami.
Stu do nogami.
Stół bez nóg.
Ich liebe dich.
O!
Say kocham cię.
What?
Kocham cię.
Kocham
Cię.
cię.
I love you too.
Anything else do you want to ask me?
You can say mam 20 lat.
It's too long for me, I think. One by one. Ah, what?
Mam
Mom?
20
The budget. Apa? What?
20
The budget?
lat.
Large.
I'm 20 years old.
What does that mean?
I'm 20 years old.
Oh, I'm 20 years old. Good. So, repeat after me.
Okay.
Kamu
Kamu
ganteng.
Ganto.
Teng, teng,
Tan tan.
teng,
Tantan.
Tan.
teng, teng,
Ten.
Tęk.
teng.
Ten.
Not teng, but teng.
Tąg.
Tong.
Yeah, kamu ganteng.
Kamu ganteng.
Yeah, so you say to me that I am handsome. We learning English, learning language. What time is it over there?
It's 5:40 p.m.
PM.
5:40 p.m.
Yeah.
So it's afternoon over there.
Yes.
Yeah, afternoon. Okay. In here it's
Musisz dziwić, bo
11,
niebiesko do 12. Jak pokażę mu 17, to się zdziwi.
12,
3 godziny później.
12 p.m.
No, zgadłaś.
No bo wiem jaki tam jest czas.
In here it's midnight.
I know because I have one good friend from Asia.
Yeah. Where is she from?
I don't know.
Just Asia.
To jest Holandia.
Japan or China or Taiwan, maybe Thailand,
I have one friend from Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Yeah.
I have too much family in the border of Poland. For example, Germany, England,
England.
Mogę do toalety?
No.
Okay.
and Canada.
To jest? To jest tamto? Dobra. Elo, nie wracam.
Around Europe.
Będę za 30? Nie, bo nie.
Pojebało. I'm sorry.
What are you doing actually over there? What are you doing? Just relaxing because you locked down at the room?
I don't know what you say now.
Are you wearing mask outside?
Yes.
Yes. How bad COVID in your country? Many of people dead?
About four. Wait.
4,000 or
I forget the word.
Tuh di sana lagi ini tuh lagi COVID.
Maybe about how many people die in Poland in one day.
Yeah, in one day.
Około. 300-400.
300-400? Really? It's a big number.
I know.
It's a big number in one day. 400 people pass out.
I'm back.
Boys, you're the handsome boy.
Thank you.
Are you agree?
What?
Are you agree? I said he is handsome.
Kto agree? Ja czy ty? I'm agree or she?
Is she agree that I say
Yes.
so good. Where is your boyfriend?
My boyfriend
Don't like me.
don't like you. Definitely don't like you.
Oh,
But he
so why you all both get along each other when her boyfriend is not like him?
my boyfriend is so jealous.
Jealousy. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Why do you laugh? It's not
maybe
funny.
it's a sign of extreme love from him to you. Maybe it's a sign of love from him to take care of
I
you,
know what you say.
to take care of you from another man, to guard you, to protect you from the other handsome man.
I think I will protect you, all men in the world.
Kita gak ngerti nih ngomong apa. Yang penting cakep ya. Is that anything you want to talk? Sorry, I'm laughing because this is just me
Okay.
who like laugh a lot.
I like to laugh a lot too.
Why many Poland girl is so flat? They're not smiling. Many of Indonesian people is like to smile, even to the stranger. They like to smile. So we're famous with our friendly society.
Maybe 3 years ago, when I was in January with my friend, she always smiles to people who looks the Chinese
Yeah.
because she like it. I don't know why, but I'm so laugh when she do that.
That.
Do that. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Am I look like a Chinese?
No.
No. Because what? Because my skin?
No. Nie mów tego.
This is Southeast Asia type of skin. Actually, the China is East Asia. You will find some people just like me in other country. Waduh, di laughing aja.
Because we don't understand American.
No! You don't understand anything.
You don't understand. You don't understand what I'm talking.
Yeah.
There are so many country. Panjul.
Bo chcę mu się poskarżyć.
In this part of the taste, you will hear some dialogue or monologue spoken in English. Tuh, puaskan lo tadi tuh. Cakep tuh.
Bro, help me.
Yeah.
Because she is very angry.
Why? Why is she angry? Why?
Because I correct her when she is talking.
Ah. It's just normal. We are not a native speaker, so if we are wrong, yeah. Take it easy. Take it easy.
Jebać.
Take it easy. Relax.
Tak, relax, po czym mnie bije.
Relax. Santuy. Do you have TikTok? TikTok?
Yes, yes!
You do TikTok? Dancing or something like that?
Yeah, but I'm not because I'm so shy.
Why?
I can't dancing.
You are introvert person. Are you
Yeah.
introvert?
Definitely, I'm introvert.
Oh, so you don't like you don't like dancing in front of camera?
Z bitą żoną.
You don't like dancing in front of camera?
I
You're-
like dancing, but without the camera.
Okay, so you're just use the TikTok to see, not using
I stalk people.
stalk people. Who?
Uh,
Who? Someone beside you?
nie patrz.
Co?
No bo ja ciebie stalkuję.
Czemu?
So you, the guy man that play TikTok. Are you playing TikTok, boy?
Playing? I am recording
Recording. So,
videos with my face. Only
oh,
face. I'm done dancing.
you're done dancing. You're just. What are you doing?
Jakby to powiedzieć.
Can I show you?
No!
Yeah. I wanna see it.
Dopiero co tam się już chyba. Czemu? Usunęła konto. Czemu tam? Nie, czy ty widziałaś te filmiki?
Ja tego nie sprawdzałam, what the fuck, ty mi to pokazywałeś.
No na pewno nie na twoim. Czekaj, jak ja się nazywałem?
Nie pamiętasz?
No ale co ja mam mu pokazać?
A ja wymyślę.
Ty-
No daj!
Osu mu pokażmy, osu.
Nie!
Albo anime, o.
Twoją
Nie,
twarz!
anime.
Twoją
Anime. I'm doing some edits.
What edits? You are editor,
With anime, yeah.
like an animation. Anime.
Yeah, anime.
Okay. You like anime?
Yeah.
Japan anime.
Dobra, co chcesz pogadać? Tylko nie cringe'owe. O nie! No, don't do it!
He's a liar.
Liar.
Watch this.
Whoa. Dancing.
Yeah, dancing.
This is my own first dancing video and only one dancing video.
Really? You don't have any more?
No. Only face.
Only face. Okay. You're not playing any music instrument? Like a guitar or piano
Okay.
or another instrument?
Nerwy.
I play on the nerves.
What?
Sprężynowe
I'm
chrząszcze.
dead. What the fuck?
Kokaina. To właśnie sprawia, że świat się wygina. To moja nuta, nie?
Why silent?
I don't know.
If there's a silence, I want to laugh.
Kamil, co robisz?
O kurde. Jak ja siebie widzę, to dostaję definitywnego raka. Nie
Chodź
wiedziałem,
na
że,
mnie.
nie wiedziałem, że ty masz takie brzydkie.
What is she? What is he saying?
Co?
Co?
Widziałeś?
Że nie wiedziałem, że ty masz takie brzydkie.
Ale potem,
Że ty spoko wyglądasz.
potem.
Co potem?
Nie wiem co.
Potem to się nogi pocą.
Mama mi tak mówi.
Nie, mama ci mówiła, po co, to się nogi nocą. Wiesz, jak się pytasz po co. Haha, wiesz.
Ha, ha, ha.
I don't understand what you're talking, but I'm just laughing. Laughing.
Love is healthy.
Boy, kenapa lu? Mukanya jadi begitu dia mukanya. Tuh, kok sedih sih? Sini aku peluk.
To takie słyszałem po co. No chyba. Czemu? Nie, powiedzmy po prostu, że musimy iść. Że na obiad, na kolację.
Kurwa, powiedz. Na co?
Na kolację.
Gdzie?
Tak.
Jak ja żarcia w domu nie mam.
No ale powiemy im mu po prostu. Ale jak była kolacja?
Food.
Czekaj, jak bez kitu, bo breakfast to śniadanie, nie?
No.
No. Super! Dinner. Dobra.
Dinner to
We have to go
Dia gue diem
dinner.
aja ya. Udah nonton dah tuh cakep tuh.
What?
No. I'm just talking to myself.
Simp? Simp. We have to go eat dinner.
Okay, this is my Instagram. Instagram is that's my Instagram.
Okej, kurwa.
We have to go.
Okay. Thank you. Nice to meet you. What is your name?
Nice to meet you.
I forget. What is your name? I forget.
Damian.
Damian and
Cornelia.
Cornelia. Okay. Thank you for a nice chat.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
See you later.